Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This is just a traveller's notebook size journal. It measures, haven't got a clue, let me see, I've hidden everything out of the way. There it is. The sheet that hides a lot. Okay, so it's just shy of 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and it has 40 pages front and back. There is lots of little different things in here. I've used a lot of ARTYmaze in there, so mention as I go through. Sorry, there's noise next door because I've got grandkids here this weekend. Just a simple closure with some cotton fabric, and whoops, this will be on a special offer in my shop if you're interested. We've got some hearts on a string, so let me show you this. This is one of ARTYmaze's freebies. The background paper there from, don't know what month, June maybe, May or June. And then here's a piece of ARTYmaze paper. This is a freebie from my coffee shop. This is from MyPorchPrints. Let's go inside. So we've got that page there. Now this page, front page, is smaller, was on purpose. I've staggered the sizes of the pages throughout. Here we've just got a selection of tags and journal cards. I believe they're all from ARTYmaze and all from various different kits. Got an envelope flip there. I will put something in there. I'll put some paper, stamped or coffee dyed paper in there. That's all been stenciled. Here we've got a pocket, and we've got a tag and a journal card, and that flips there, and we've got a little tuck here, tag there from ARTYmaze, and then this is from TaylorMadeJournals, and you can journal on that or make something else out of it. We've got lined paper with some crocheted trim on there. We've got journal card and a tag there, an embossed pocket here. This paper is from Bohemian Crafting. We've got these tags, that's like 3 tags all layered up. Can't remember the name of that kit, but I found a sheet in my stash, so I used it. It's an ARTYmaze kit, and for the life of me, it's just tags, and you can layer them all up. I can't remember what the kit's called. This is ARTYmaze. That flips out like so. We've got a book page pocket here with a tag. Again, that's from ARTYmaze. This is a freebie from my coffee shop. And then here we've got some French ephemera. That is from ARTYmaze. And that can either go in there or there. That's like so to write on. Coffee dyed squared paper. This is TaylorMadeJournals. There's going to be a video on this. Show you that in a minute. Tag here from ARTYmaze. So this is a little envelope tag ephemera holder, because I hadn't done a video in a while, and I just made that, so it's got all these pieces in it, but the video will be up shortly for that, and we've got little pieces in there as well. Yeah, so there'll be a video for that. Oh, squashed the butterfly. So yeah, you'll see the video. It will be my my next craft with me video, and that's just in there like so. Lace trim, center of signature with the hearts on a string, tags and journal cards. Just quite a simple journal to write in. There's lots of writing space, and you can write on the backs of everything as well. And another flip out, we've got a tag there, that's a tuck there as well. Book page pocket, tag here, that is ARTYmaze as well. Some more pieces here. This is some French ephemera from ARTYmaze. It's the letter ephemera. How cool is that? Little pocket there on the tag. Again, we've got a little flap of an envelope. That's just there as a little tuck spot. The tag, some more French ephemera here from ARTYmaze. I think that's ARTYmaze, I do. That flips. Again, I'll put something in there. This is some French ephemera from TaylorMadeJournals. And that is some tags there. Another tag there. Some more letter ephemera. And a tag, and another layered tag there. And then here we've just got some more lace trim. We've got a tag, a flip, and another piece of ephemera. I believe that's ARTYmaze as well, and that's that page there. So there we go. That is the journal. With lots of little bits to play around with, and just a simple closure. Like I said, this will be listed with some form of offer on it for today, and that link will be below in the description box if you want to go check it out. And yeah, if you have any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.